The next airdrop we're going to do is POSHCOIN. Down below in your description box of this video, you should find a link. You're going to press on that link. It should take you right to the Telegram group. Before we go any further, put a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. We got lots of these. Hit start. Then we'll hit this check mark here. And then it's going to ask you to join the channel, so we'll join the channel. We'll go back to the bot. We'll join the Twitter. Follow on Twitter. And then we'll go over to this one here. We'll click on that one, join that group next. Then we're going to go back to the airdrop page here again. And we're going to click on this one. We're going to join that channel. Now we're going to go hit the check mark here. It's going to ask you to enter the CAPTCHA. Enter the CAPTCHA, click next. Now we're going to go hit airdrop. Next, it wants you to hit event. We've already been there. Next, we're going to go to the Twitter. We've already been there. So we'll go up here and we will hit cancel. Check out our balance. It's 300. Generate referral link. And that's a referral link. That's the end of this airdrop. Like the channel. And we'll be on to the next one.